neuropathy has decreased.
Wow.
I had it on the whole bottom of my foot. Now half my foot I have more feeling in it. And I accidentally hit my foot, and boy did I feel it. But I was happy because I have feeling in my feet. And now the neuropathy is just this part of my feet and going up. And I can actually bend my toes without having a lot of pain.
Wow.
My toes are I can spread my I couldn't spread my toes before, so now I can spread my toes a little bit more. Even though I have this infection, but it's a good thing because I see the new toenail is coming over. It's much clearer. And I've had a fungus for years in my foot. The doctor couldn't get rid of it, and I think that's what's coming out. The fungus is actually coming out without the medication.
So your body's finally healing where it wasn't before.
The way it wasn't before without that the medication. And I've been on medication for the fungus before on my feet, and it never worked. But now it's working.
That's great.
See, my toenails growing, and they're not supposed to grow that fast, but they were just clipped, and I noticed within 2 weeks they're growing. So that means there's some type of healing going on the cellular level. And I mean, I can really feel my feet at the bottom when I drive. I was like, wow, I can feel, it's amazing. I can feel my feet.
And you've had diabetes for how many years now?
About 35 years.
So it's not like something where it's not just a fluke. It's not something that just like where this comes and goes. This is something that you haven't had experience for a while.
And I had the problem for a while with my feet. I went to the medical doctor. I went to the podiatrist. She gave me medication. I fell.
Wow.
It numbed my legs, and I said I'll never take it again, which had side effects.
Yeah.
It was just for the feet, but why did my legs go numb?
Sure.
I said I don't want to take anything else. I've had creams. I had ointments. Nothing. Even my toenail came off one time years ago because of an accident. We're back with the fungus in it.
Wow. So all of a sudden, this is actually the first change.
It's coming out, you know, and it's, I do have an infection, but to me it's a positive thing because I saw the crap that's coming out of my foot.
Yeah.
My toenails are starting to, toes and stuff are starting to clear up. And my feet are a little bit sensitive now because I have the feeling I should have had. So I know when something is too tight or rubbing my foot.
Interesting.
And now my feet are starting to sweat, which it hasn't done in years. So I'm getting that sensation, the glands, whatever, it's coming back. So I'm happy.
That's great. That's really good.
My fingers are feeling better.
Good.
The finger almost cut it off a couple of years ago. I can bend it now. Couldn't bend it before.
Wow.
So the swelling has gone down. And it's tingling too, as if I have like feeling. I don't know how to explain it, but I have feeling.
Now, were they mad that you were going to try something different, different than medicine?
They were upset because they've been trying to get me to take the blood test and urine test, and I was refusing because every time I go, they want to give me a new medicine. I'm refusing. And I said someone else is, you know, another doctor supervising me with the diabetes, and they gave me a funny look. And then another doctor, I gotta talk to you. I gotta, you know. And I said, what was the problem? I said, well, you know, I want the papers. I said, you'll get the papers.
Yeah.
He can fax it to you. I can, whatever. You know, I'm not trying to hide anything. I'm trying to get better.
Absolutely. Yeah, and you've been trying this for a long time.
I'm trying this since the day I became diabetic.
Yeah.
So it's been a hard, long climb for me, and I'm going backwards instead of forward.
Yeah.
47, feel like I'm 100, and I shouldn't feel that way.
Yeah.
And my kids are very supportive, so they see something great too. They notice I'm a little bit different. One said, "Mom, you walking different." I said, "Yeah, I can feel the bottom of my feet."
Wow.
Yeah, I got these special Chinese massaging shoes. Can never feel the bottom of them.
Mm-hmm.
Now I can feel the little things massaging my feet. I never felt it before, but I wore them anyway. But now I can actually feel it. They see me looking at my feet, doing, "What are you doing?" I said, "I'm feeling my feet."
Yeah. So you've already gotten results, and you haven't really even gotten started.